Gonna try M&S caramel eggs, milk and blonde chocolate filled with a vanilla and caramel center. That's what the box is looking like. So somewhat similar to the Cadbury's eggs, like this, that Cadbury's used to do. Mysteriously they disappeared. Did they make a comeback, Cadbury's? Let us know, because I did really like some of those Cadbury's moussey eggs. They were so much fun and so delightful. But M&S looks like they have pulled through with these ones. I did see a coffee one, but I do not like coffee, so I've gone with caramel. So let's give this an open. Ooh, it opens nice and smooth. By the way, previous video I've been eating a green salad from M&S, so check that out if you want. But now for desserts. Oh, look at that. That's how it looks and that's how it opens. Fresh eggs from a farm, from the barn. Exactly. So they've got these cute little, oh my god. So they're not individually wrapped. It's just in this funky little paper. And by the looks of it, this is different. They've got 2 different colours. They've got like a darker one and a lighter one. So one's looking more chocolatey and the other one's looking more caramelly. So one's like brown, one's like beige. Ooh. Wait. See? Okay, so I'm gonna just try the brown one, which is this. So there's 2 darker ones and 2 lighter looking ones. I don't know if they're exactly the same in the center. I can't see a spoon. I've seen other people have spoons in these, but do these come with little spoons? I thought other people have spoons. I can't see spoons, so I'm just gonna have to do it like this. So that's how it's looking. With that bitty bite off. Okay, let's give it a go. Whoa. Right. Well, you can see the caramel and some sort of white chocolateness in there. That is how the inside is looking and cooking. Let's give that another bite. Go. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, that has proper full on caramel. And this white creaminess. I'm not too sure exactly what the white stuff is. It's a little bit strange to me. I do like the caramel. The white stuff is different. I mean, I know it says sort of white chocolate. It's like a white chocolate cream. Let's just see. Milk and blonde chocolate filled with a vanilla and caramel center. So yeah, it's like a vanilla and caramel. So the vanilla stuff is okay, but then again, I don't really like vanilla that much. if you do, then you might like it. That is how it's looking. I like it, but I don't love it. And they are good fun. The combo of it all together is quite nice, because I do like the milk chocolate and I quite like the caramel. That's decent. I'll give this a 6 to a 7 out of 10, being as I don't really like vanilla cream that much, but you might like the vanilla cream if you like vanilla cream. Does that make sense? Exactly.